So what's up my beautiful people, we are back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a new platform that was launched by Instagram. Yes, it's IGTV. So in this video I'm gonna tell how you can download videos from the IGTV into your gallery with following some few steps. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. So guys, first you need to go to the Play Store and write IGTV video downloader. All the links will be in the description box below. So now just open the app and you can see you need to paste the URL of the IGTV videos. So now just go back to the Instagram and click on the IGTV icon so that you can select the videos to which you will need to download. Just roll out some videos and just select any one of them, like I am doing right now. So when you just open a video, just click on the three dots you can see on the screen, and you will see an option called copy link. Just copy the link of the video and just go back to the app which we had downloaded, and paste that link in the app, and then click on the search button. It will search the video and it will show a tab called download. Just click on the download button and yeah, the video will get downloaded. So yeah, once the video is downloaded, just search File Manager on your phone. In File Manager, just go to the internal storage option and then click the Android tab and then data, and you will see an IGTV downloader icon, and then you can watch the video which you had downloaded, like I'm doing now. So now you can see I can play the video anytime, anywhere, which was being shown in the IGTV app. So guys, I hope you really liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below if you have any doubt, and share this video. Also do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also you can stay connected with me by following on my Instagram. All the links will be in the description box below. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.